Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up XIAOMI Smart Camera C100. So first, open on your phone the XIAOMI Home app and select your region and then log in. Give me a moment. Okay, and I'm logged in. So here, click the plus in the top right corner and add device. Now click allow. While using the app, turn on the Bluetooth, allow the Bluetooth, and do that again. And it should appear right here, but if it doesn't, then add devices manually. So here we have the video camera. While using the app, scan the QR code on the device. So the QR code is right here. Just scan it. Device reset. It is searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. It shouldn't take a long time. Okay, and as you can see, no device found. So if that happens, take your camera and right here is the reset button. Just press and hold it for around 7 seconds till this light will blink orange.
Reset complete.
Okay, so
Please wait.
reset completed. Please wait. Okay, and it turned off and on, and now try to scan again.
Connection.
Okay, it's waiting for connection. Just click agree. Now select the Wi-Fi network and type in the password. It was automatically done. Agree. Not safe. And now it is connecting. And it is done successfully. Now set the room, so the living room. Next, set the name, but I will keep the original one. And that's pretty much it. After it is done, here getting info, just click next, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Here you can see in the living room there is a camera.